Yeah, there's your seat. That's where your seat nut goes. This thing right here. Now you can't really get your hand up in there easy. The way we normally do it is take your clip, take a long wire tie, just feed it up through there. Then you're just going to fish this up through here. That sounds a lot easier than it is, huh? There you go. Pull that up through there. Line it up. It's got a notch in it where it sits in there. There you go. Then just take your clip. Put your clip in there. Be good to go. And since you can't really fish this thing back through here, I usually just take that wire tie, clip it off, and let it fall out of there. And that's pretty much it right there. You can use a wire tie, works easier because you just grab one out of the pile. Use a piece of wire, a piece of house wire or bike wire or whatever you got, but you get the idea. A wire tie works easy though. All right, let me go grab the seat and slap that thing on there. You know our tire pressure's good. We got gas, we got oil. Oil's good. Thing does need a really good cleaning though.